What's up guys, your Biglee here. When it comes to chest development, your lower chest shape is very important either if you're on a competitive sport or if you just want to show off your muscular body. So to develop your lower chest, decline movements are the best. One more thing, if you're looking for overall mass, decline movements enable you to recruit more muscle fiber per rep. So decline presses becomes a vital thing in your chest routine. When you go for a decline press, make sure that the angle is no more than 30 degrees. If the angle goes beyond 30 degrees, then you start stressing your rotator cuff and the load moves out of your chest. And one more thing, while doing your decline presses either in a barbell or a dumbbell, make sure you get a spotter to help you with the dumbbells, because sitting on a high position and grabbing the dumbbells from down could be quite strenuous. Just like your other presses, make sure your dumbbells are in line with your lower chest. Press all the way up, squeeze your chest and bring it all the way down. Squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze, stretch, squeeze and stretch. I'll see you with another interesting exercise on the next episode. It's your Biglee, over and out.